Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last weekend, one of my oldest friends returned back to the UK from Moscow, where he'd been living for the last 20 years. He'd decided that he could no longer stay there in the current climate and with the war in Ukraine going on. And for various reasons that I won't go into here, he basically had to leave behind the money that he'd earned while living there and returned to the UK with very little. I was chatting to him on the phone last Sunday and asked if he was okay for money. And he told me that an old friend of his recently died, and as a result he'd inherited a little bit of money. And this, he added, should be enough to tide him over for a while. If something tides you over for a while, it basically helps you get through a difficult period of time until you can get some more of this thing. It's usually used to talk about money. So if someone leaves you some money in their will and you're in a difficult position, that money might tide you over for a little while. You might ask a friend to lend you £50 just to tide you over until payday, just to help you get through to payday. And if you have children, growing children who are always hungry and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and they're already complaining that they're starving, you might tell them to have a sandwich and hope that that will tide them over until dinner time. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your students, your friends, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd like to see examples of how you might use tide over.